Okay, when you have to log in, you need to open Gmail. This kind of page will be visible to you. Here you need to write your username, which you have chosen at that time, the creation of email account. Fine. So I have given the name Ashvi Kapil @gmail.com is optional on Gmail. If you wanted to mention, you can mention here like @gmail.com, but it is optional in Gmail. If you will skip this, it will also consider it. Okay, now you need to enter your password, which is a combination of letters, some symbols, and the alphabets. Then you need to click on next. It will open your Gmail account. When you open your Gmail account, which kind of view will be there? Here you can see whatever, how many number of like mails you might have received will be visible here on your screen. Like I have received one default mail from the Google, like where like Google is welcoming the Ashvi that for joining the Gmail account. Fine, that is the default mail from the Google. Fine. So like here is my inbox. In inbox, I will receive all the mails which I'll receive from any person. I can see in my inbox. If I have sent any mail to any person, that will be visible in the this sent in this sent options. Fine. And some more options are there, like we have spams. In spams, we generally receive those mails which are defined as irrelevant or inappropriate, okay, which are sent on the internet to a large number of people, which are also known as junk mails or the unwanted mails, which are usually done for the promotional materials. Okay, so these kinds of mail are not supposed to be opened. Like whenever, like sometime what happen is some people send you any email and that you would not be able to see that particular email in the inbox at that particular time. Once you can check this folder as well. Which folder? Like you need to check for this is spams, or you can go for the all mails. It will consider, it will have all the mails which you might have in your mailbox. Fine. So sometime you were unable to find any message on that particular inbox folder at that particular time. You can check your mails here. Here you will receive each and every mail. Fine. Now we wanted to send any message. If you wanted to send any message, what we need to do is we need to click on the compose option. Okay, when you click on compose option, there will be one dialog box kind of thing, okay, appear on your screen. Like this is for new message. If you wanted to send any new message to any person, you wanted to send any email to person, so this kind of block will be visible on your screen. So here you can see the particular option. Here is the to block. Whom you wanted to send the email, that particular email address you will write here. For example, I wanted to send email to this person. Okay. So I need to mention the email address of that particular person here. I can separate the email addresses by comma or by any other like comma or semicolon. If I wanted to mention here some other names, you can mention here as well. But I am going to send this mail to only single person. Fine. Then I am writing here subject. The subject is like 10th class practical. Okay, here subject, what do we mean by subject? subject contains like whatever you are containing in your mail, whatever content is there in your mail, you need to write that particular heading here, which can explain your whole mail. Fine. So it could be anything related to your mail. And some people were saying that they are not able to see the CCC and BCC option. So you can zoom on your mobile screens to see this clearly by the pinch of your fingers. Okay, you can zoom on screen as well. Fine, to see my laptop screen clearly. So here are two options, CC and BCC. Okay, so if you wanted to mention something in CC, you can specify here the email address of that particular person. Like if you wanted to CC someone, you can here enter the email address of that particular person. If you wanted to BCC something, okay, then you can mention the email address of here. What is the meaning of BCC and CC? Like CC stands for carbon copy. Here you can specify the address or the addresses of those to whom you want to send a copy of the mail. The CC's recipient name is visible to all the recipients. Fine. The CC name is visible to this name, whose name you will be writing here will be visible to all the recipients. Fine. In the case of BCC, BCC stands for blind carbon copy. This is also a list of addresses. These people will also receive a copy of the message, but a BCC recipient name is not visible to the other recipient. What is the difference between CC and BCC? The BCC names, the BCC person name or the BCC people name will not be visible to the other recipients that you have sent copy of this mail to this person or that person. Fine. So here you can write in the body like dear, anything. Here you will write the content, whatever you wanted to write. Okay, in and you will write okay. So here are some like some things like if you wanted to attach any file with this, if you wanted to send any file with this email, then you can attach file. How you can attach file? By clicking on this option. By clicking on this option, attachment option. You need to click here. For example, I wanted to attach something with this. For example, I wanted to attach any PDF or Word file. So you need to move on that particular option. After that, you need to click here. For example, I'm going to attach this file with this particular mail. So I have selected that file and clicked on open. That particular file is getting attached with my email. Fine. Here you can see you can attach number of attachments here. Like one file I have attached. That is a PowerPoint file. Now I wanted to attach another file. Like I have now I wanted to attach any picture. So you can click here in the pictures and you can attach it to this. Okay, the picture has been getting attached to my file. Now you can click for sending the mail. You can click here on send. Okay, I have clicked on send. The mail has been sent to that particular email address.